Welcome to TechFly. So we'll discuss on where versus let versus const. Real interview explanation with example. This single line can fail your JavaScript interview. And the reason is not just hosting. Today I will explain where versus let versus const. Exactly how interviewer expect. Why interviewers ask this. Interviewer don't ask where let and const to test syntax. They ask it to check if you understand scope, hoisting, and real bug. What is where? Where is a function scope. So now let's see the example. If true, where x equal to 10, and after if condition we print x, so the output is 10. You can see we define the x value in the if condition. After if condition we can get the value of x is 10. Hoisting with where. So if we print console.log a, after that we define and declare where a equal to 5. So what will be the output? Output is undefined. Why? So we'll discuss. So how hosting work for the where a, after that console.log a, and after that assign the value is 5. So second line, as like you can see, the output is undefined. If you say where is hosted, also say initialize as undefined. What is let? Let is a block scope. Example, you can see if true, let y equal to 20, and after if condition you print the value of y. The output is reference error because let is a block scope. Mostly we use the let in conditions, say loops, etc. Hosting with let. If console.log b, and after that let b equal to 10. So let is hosted but the temporal dead zone, yani TDZ, access before declaration will show reference error. If interviewer asks, then you can say the answer let is hosted but not initialized. What is const? Const is a block scope, not reassign. Means you can't reassign the value into the const variable. Now you can see the basic example. Const z equal to 30, and after that you define the value z equal to 40. Then it will show the error because const must be initialized. Second, cannot be reassigned. And sometimes interviewer asks as like tricky interview questions, as like const object equal to name colon John. After that object dot name equal to Tom. So it will be allow a note because in the constant variable you can't reassign the value, but in the object you can assign the value. I will explain to you. Const protect reference, not value. Object and array can be mutated. And interview tips as like const does not make data immutable. Means if you reassign the value in object and array, then it will not issue and it will be changed. Suppose we see loop example. You can see in the for loop where I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Or we are using set timeout, and in the set timeout we are print the value of I in 1 second. So what will be the output? 1 second the output will be 333. Reason, all set timeout callback are scheduled to run after 1 second. Means where shares one variable across all callback. So the output value is 333. If we use let instead of where, so what will be the output? The output will be 012. Let create new variable per iteration. So you understand the things, when to use and what. When you define the default value, then we use the const. If you need reassign, then use the let. And as my thinking, in modern JavaScript, don't use where. So after this example, so you have clear where, let and const. If you want more details about where, let and const, so you can go through my website also. I will add the website link into the description. And kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.